Alright, so for this week we're going to look at Tesla. We're looking at Tesla on the 5-minute chart. We're looking at it from Friday, December 16th. So as we can see, we're looking at Tesla from about a week, and big, massive changes have happened this week with Tesla. Tesla stock prices from the beginning of this year. Let's just actually go to it from this year. Tesla from this year has dropped significantly from close to about $400, $380, actually about $400, very close to $400, all the way down to $123. Now, how did this happen? How has Tesla stock dropped so low? Is it because Elon Musk is losing popularity? Is it because people aren't liking him as much? Is it because he has too much responsibilities? Is it because they think that he was doing a horrible job running Twitter and they decided to sell off their Tesla stock because they no longer want to do anything? Was it because he was selling it off? What was the reason why this was happening? Could be many reasons, and to look into that reason why, the current events, the news reasons, would be fundamental analysis. However, at Awake Global, we specialize in technical analysis. We basically read charts and we react to the movement in the chart. However, current events have a huge impact in all of this. So, as we know, Elon Musk recently resigned as the CEO of Twitter. So now he is no longer doing that. Elon Musk no longer wants to do that. There was a poll taken. They said that he wasn't a good boss after firing a large percentage of the staff, after allowing free speech, which then led to racism, anti-Semitic remarks, racist and anti-Semitic remarks, which led to all sorts of nonsense. So anyway, back to the chart. As we can see over here, since last Friday, the price dropped from 160 to about 120, and that is a $40 drop. That is huge in a period of about 5 or 6 days. So over here, I would be day trading. Let's look at Thursday specifically. The price drops approximately $10, which is a big amount. It's a large amount. Last Friday, the price drops approximately about the same amount. Obviously, as we can see over here, the price goes up a little bit, and then it just drops back. So by selling put options, you would be doing very well. Very well. $40, one put option contract is equal to 100 shares. So let's say you make a couple, you purchase a couple of put options, you'd be fine. That would be a great Christmas gift. Anyway, that's it for this week. Today is December 23rd, 2022. I don't want to speak too much about what's going to happen with Tesla, but I think that it's going to drop even more. However, do not take my word on that. In order to tell, we're going to have to look at the charts. We're going to have to look at the daily charts. We're going to have to look at the minute chart and then move from there. I personally wouldn't hold on to a stock overnight if I'm trading options, or I wouldn't hold on to it over the weekend unless I was fully certain that it was going to go up or down. I would stick to the shorter time frames, because reading the chart, it's easier, and sometimes you don't know what's going to happen. Take, for example, if you got into a put over here and you held on to it, woke up on Monday morning, you would have been in the negative. Obviously, it went down, but you would have still been in the negative. So that's it for this week.